right, good. It's afternoon. Yeah, it is April 29th. It is 2021. It is vlog 83. Just trucking along this year. This year is going by quick. It's almost April. It's almost May. But yeah, it just seems it seems to be going quick. But there's been a lot of stuff, man. Even though it seems the year seems to be going quick, I feel like I've done a lot already this year. It's so crazy. But I don't know how you guys feel, but that's how it's feeling right now. But actually, let me get a tuning in here real quick. I need a couple tunings today. Here we go. Always nice. That's my new one. Awesome. I love playing the ukulele every day. Keep on strumming ukulele. All right. So actually today is a really nice day. It looks like it's gonna be warm. Here it is. Well, let's check it out. 74 today. Cool. Yeah. 74, actually 77, then it's going to go down to 66. Wow, it's supposed to be 80 at 5 o'clock, so it's going to be a nice day. Actually, I think me and Carrie are going to go walk and go get some acai bowls. That sounds cool, since we don't have a car right now. We still don't have a car. Actually, I got to call Lamb and see what's up. Cool. And actually, let's recap yesterday. Woo! I think I was already talking about it yesterday, but yeah, I woke up early at 5. I don't know why I set appointment at the VA at 7. You know, I was going to the VA, so I was thinking military time, and I did it. I just wanted to see if I could wake up and get there. And I had to Uber over and stuff like that, and yeah, it was kind of I don't know, just a weird appointment. You know, I've been to the doctors in a while, and yeah, it's kind of crazy. Said I don't know if anybody's had like high cholesterol or whatever, but that's what he said. I had high cholesterol, and that he didn't recommend, but he said I should. I don't know, I guess that's a recommendation. I go, well, what do you think? And he goes, well, it's up to you. I just go, well, wait. I go, is it bad or is it good? Should I take drugs? You know, all this other stuff. And I wasn't sure, and he wouldn't give me a straight answer. And then I just go, is there any alternatives to lowering your cholesterol? And he goes, well, I haven't seen it. And I just go, what? I go, okay, I guess I'm taking the drugs. But I ordered it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to take the drugs. So we shall see. I think I might try to find alternate methods. I was trying to ask him, but it was almost like he was trying to scare me into taking the drugs. It was weird. So, you know, I feel healthy. I don't feel any problems. He said I had high cholesterol and da-da-da. And I was just like, wow. But I don't know. I've been going through it, and actually Carrie's been researching and stuff like that. We've asked a couple places, and I don't know. We shall see how it goes. All I know is it kind of like still gave me a wake-up call. Maybe I should exercise a little bit more, watch what I eat, things like that. It's always good to be safe, but actually I find that eating lighter. I've been fasting a lot. I'm actually trying to just clear out my system. I think I have a lot of old stuff in my system. I just need to get out. I think we all do. So yeah, that's I'll just be more aware of it. I believe, and do more stuff. Actually, cool. I'm all for it. I don't know if I want to take more, like, especially prescription drugs. I'm so scared of that stuff. So we'll see. More tunings, I think, and I think I will research more sound healing and be more preventative. I think that is a better answer for me. I think that's why I was confused when I was talking to the doctor. He's all, do drugs. I'm like, okay. But anyways, like I said, the car's still in the shop. So yesterday I usually have a lesson with Maddie, and that didn't happen. So I already told Maddie, keep on practicing. I know you're watching, Maddie. I missed you yesterday. Maddie and Hattie, always enjoy it. It's just, I don't know. It's fun. It's weirdly cool that I like to go teach these girls how to play handpan. I think I said it before. I just love this story. When it might take it, when she like keeps on going and going, and see her like maybe I'd say 6 months to a year, and she's like jamming on it. It's gonna be a great story because she's only gonna be like 9 or 10 jamming on the handpan. Oh my god, it would be amazing. I think that would be like, wow, it's so inspirational for everybody. So it's my goal, man. Get Maddie jamming. Come on, Maddie, let's jam on the handpan. And then after I came back, I was like, since I woke up at 5, I took a huge. I was so tired because the night before I think we stayed up late, and then we came. It was crazy. So, but it's all right. That's life. As I get older, I sleep less, and I just feel like hey, honestly, like hitting 50, it's like now that I know some stuff, maybe a little bit, I know what I kind of want to like change or do, and and it's come down to just being the best that you can be. And what do you need to do? Like, that's what I'm doing, like just being the best I can be at ukulele, just finding things that I could just be best at, or be the best that I can be at. And that's, I think, how we can do it. It's the only thing we control in life is ourselves, and yeah, that's pretty awesome. Let's see, I took a huge nap. I don't know why I was talking about that. Oh yeah, I worked on song sheets yesterday. I have some, getting close. I got to work on some today. I'm gonna do that right after this. If I don't sing a song, actually I might sing a song first. Who knows? I'm doing it by feel right now. Like during the day, I just have to feel like I want to play the song. Right now, we'll see. Usually, if I do a lot of work, like I get some work done, and then I feel more comfortable, that I can take some time to do a song. And actually, gosh, I got some good ones. Woohoo! Oh yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, I got some good ones here. Oh, interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have about 7 more to write, which I have right here, I think. That'd be 7. Just gotta make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh wait, I did 88. Oh no, I need 12 more. That's it. 6 and 6. Yeah, and then I'm 100. I got it. Bangers! I am so excited. I just gotta finish those 6 and I'll be happy. I don't have to worry about it. I just have songs I just need to do. So, and they're already written. Love it. I'm almost there. So yeah, yesterday I did, my song was All Along the Watchtower. I hadn't done that song in a while, and it was fun to do. Like, I felt like I did it a totally different way. And I just, it's kind of cool once you have like your technique down, and then you have a good rhythm, and then you could just play and just let go and just play the song. Like, And then whatever comes, you're like, yeah, you're just in it. It's super fun. And that's how I felt yesterday. It was good. Let's see. And then, I had the Ook Social. I love our little group, man. Even though it's small. Like, we only had 3 people yesterday. These guys are freaking Nikki. She's going to be rad. She was still on. Their camera didn't work. And, she was still there with us. It was pretty awesome. And then Hadley. Oh, my gosh. Hadley, you're awesome. Yeah, she started doing cheer, and then yesterday she was just talkative, even though she was like, yeah, I need to come on. I just want to let you know I can't stay on long, but yeah, and then she stayed on as long as possible. It was so cool to see, like, she just wants to hang out and play songs, especially at that age. It's kind of weird. Not weird, but good weird, in a good weird way, because I love, like, teaching her, because we have private lessons. And then her being part of the group because, she's really conversating, and it's kind of cool to mind meld with the younger generation to see what they're thinking, and she's opening up to that, and it's so cool. Like right now she's in song and cheer, and she's like, oh, my legs, and she was just talkative the whole time. It was cool. Loved it. And then Nikki, always there, I said that. And then Dean, it's awesome. Dean's awesome. Like I love our conversations, like, afterwards, because, like, we'll play, but we have these great conversations afterwards. And it's usually about teaching, because it's kind of cool that they are teachers, and we get to, like, throw ideas back and forth. And I think it's awesome. It's awesome to have a platform where we can do that and talk like that and throw ideas and just, solve world problems. But, I think... it's just starting the conversation and talking about it and asking hard questions, or questions that we never even thought about before, and going, hey, wait a minute. Yeah. And it's cool. So Dean, awesome. I know you watch, so I loved our conversations. Nikki, you're rad, and Hadley, right on. And then Brandon came over. We were doing business, and Carrie and them almost finished the website. I think they did finish it, but they're jobbing for our new business. Represents. What's up? You'll see that coming soon. And then we stayed up late doing that. It was kind of cool. And then it brings me to today. So today, I'm finding, like, Thursday is kind of becoming a day that is like a chill day for us. So we're going to take advantage of it today. It's very nice. I just have a little bit of work. There's nothing really pressing. I do have to edit some stuff, so I could take care of that later. And then I do need to write some songs. I cleaned the litter boxes this morning already, and cleaned up a little bit, so I have a clean house. Yeah, I like when it's clean, and it's easier to be creative. You're not worried about what's going on here. We did have ants this morning. I don't know where they were going. It's so weird. I don't know, they just randomly, I don't know what they were doing. I was looking for, like, food or something. Nothing was out, and they were just going somewhere. Ants are crazy. Actually, we watched the Ancient Aliens, and it was about, I think, the ants, because, like, one of the races are supposed to be, like, ants or something, or the ant people. That's, like, one of the things, but they think it's, like, the Greys or whatever. But they were making the comparisons on how ants are so much like society that we are in right now. We have a lot in common with the ant society. It's kind of crazy if you look at it. And they were doing all these comparisons. I was like, hey, yeah, we do. Interesting. Very interesting. But anyway, see, asking hard questions and pondering crazy ideas, because that's what it's all about. I think me and Dan were talking about that, just having a life of learning. That's what I've committed to, because I know I don't know anything, and just finding new ways. I think I said it in the Ook Social, like, I think Albert Einstein said it. The problems that we're facing today cannot be solved with what we already know, because they're problems. You know what I mean? We come up with a problem, it's something we haven't solved, so we have to be more creative. We have to be more creative to actually solve this problem. Kind of crazy. But, yeah. And then today, I think we're going to walk over to the acai bowl place, get some acai bowls. And, yeah, that's it. So I just kind of want to make it a chill day because I know Friday, tomorrow I might have to I have an appointment. We have to get our car done and then get ready for the Saturday show. And usually Saturday's busy. I know we have some appointments and stuff. So, but anyways, that's all I have for me today. And it is April 29th, 2021. This is vlog 83. I've been saying the wrong numbers, so hopefully I said the right one and I said the right date. But like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele, and I'll leave it with that. Yeah. So fun to harmonize with your uke. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.